We are unboxing this ginormous box today. This is the Fabfitfun box for fall. I am so excited to be working with Fabfitfun again. This is a seasonal subscription service filled with tons of different things from beauty to home, clothing even, skincare, anything and everything, and you get to pick out what you're getting from a big choice of items. So I think this is the best subscription box out there. I absolutely loved my summer box. I used my products so much. I did a whole video unboxing that, but we're getting into my favorite season here, which is fall. So I am so excited to show you guys what I have in here, the items I picked out, and you guys can still get the fall box as well. And this month they're featuring amazing brands like Rare Beauty and Ilia. You have to see the brands included. They don't put no-name brands in here. They have like the good stuff that we've been wanting. So let's go ahead and dive in. This box is too big to show on camera, but you can kind of get the gist of what it looks like inside. Let's just pull out the biggest item first. How fun is this? I picked out a pie dish as one of my selections. This is by the brand Noon and Moon. And I just thought that this would be a perfect piece to have for fall, because I feel like in fall we eat a lot of pies, right? We got the apple pie, the pumpkin pie eventually, and like pecan pie, all the good things. And I did not have a pie dish in my dishware collection, so I figured why not just pick this out, because this looked really nice to me. So here is the pie dish. I picked out the taupe color. I think we could also do like a cheesecake in here as well. But yeah, I feel like this would just be something nice to have, and was my favorite thing out of the options that we had. I think they had this in another color too, but look at that scalloped edge. That is beautiful. Looking at the choices, they did have this offered in a burgundy, which is also really pretty as well, and this retails for $65 already. That pretty much pays for the box itself. They include some really high ticket items in here, and most boxes are worth over $300, which is insane. All right, next item I picked out in my fall box was actually a piece of clothing. I saw this little cardigan and I was like, I have to have that. This is so cute. I feel like these shorter cardigans are really popular for fall, and I love this dusty blue color. I feel like this one's not too heavy either, so I feel like it's a nice kind of transitional piece. This one, I'm gonna have to try this on. Hopefully it works. It does have some stretch. I'm normally a size large, and this is the large XL, so it's supposed to be a little bit more snug, I think, but I will try this on for you guys so you guys can see it on. But how cute is that? This is from the brand Nia. It's called Nia the brand, but this retails for $98, so that is definitely one of the higher ticket items in this box for sure. This is a wool blend, so I think that is why it is that higher price tag. So I will definitely try this on, show you guys how it looks, but I'm excited because this is really cute. I really hope this fits. All right, next item. I was so excited to see Stony Clover being featured this season. Love their stuff, but it is so expensive. This is my only second Stony Clover piece. My first one was actually a TJ Maxx find, so I'm all about getting Stony Clover at a deal, but they make a lot of stuff with Disney. It's basically all this like nylon fabric material. You can buy patches and iron them on or stick them on. That's kind of what their thing is, so you can kind of customize your stuff. Otherwise it's pretty plain. But yeah, they have this cute little coin purse or a zip pouch. How cute. I love the bright pink. But yeah, I could definitely see myself taking this to Disney with me. I have to get some cute patches for it. This retails for $48. There's not really like a ton of organization inside. It's just like a plain zip pouch. There's no like card slots or anything like that, but I had to choose this because it was Stony Clover. It was a hard choice though, because they also were featuring in this lot the Rare Beauty Soft Pinch Luminous Powder Blushes, which are another favorite of mine. So that's definitely another option I would go with if you guys are looking for more of the beauty stuff. You're not really into the accessories, because those are gorgeous. They're a very luminous blush. I use them as like a blush lighter, a blush highlight combo. They are stunning. I was shocked that they are featuring so much Rare Beauty. I just have a lot of it already, so I didn't pick a ton of the Rare Beauty items. But if you're into it and want to try more from the brand, this is a great time to sign up. Speaking of Rare Beauty though, I did get one thing, which is their Fine Comfort hand cream. I have always wanted this. This is so cute. I have the Fine Comfort mist, I have the body cream, but I did not have the hand cream. And I've always wanted this because it had the most interesting packaging. So this is in the shape of like kind of a rounded triangle, and it just twists open like this, and then your hand cream comes out of this. Just squeezing it like that, and you don't have to squeeze too hard at all. I know Selena makes all her products in Rare Beauty like very functional for people with disabilities. This is a very soothing scent. I love it in the hand cream, and I feel like this is so cute just to throw in your purse, in your car, put it by your bed. But I always like to have hand cream with me, especially in the fall and winter season when my hands are getting a little bit more dry. I always want to keep my hands moisturized because your hands are always where you show your age first, so you definitely want to keep them prepped with skincare and everything. And yeah, this has a really nice, just like soft, comforting scent as well, so I could see this being a really nice bedtime scent too, just very cozy and warm, a little woody. It smells just like the spray, if you guys have ever tried their Fine Comfort spray, which is also featured this season. So if you haven't tried it yet, it is an option. But yeah, I did want to try the hand cream, and I'm loving the packaging so far. This retails for $18, so definitely one of the lower end items in the box, but I'm really excited about it. Next item I got in my box here, this is supposed to be like a travel jewelry organizer, which I thought was nice because I really only have those little tiny jewelry boxes that I put my stuff in, but stuff does get tangled in those. Whereas with these, there is lots of different slots and places to actually hang stuff. So like over here, you could put different rings or bracelets around these little tubes. This guy has holes in it so you can put your earrings in. And then down here, you can kind of snap in your necklace down here, so nothing really gets tangled. Now, I don't usually travel with this much jewelry, but if you do, this could probably come in handy if you have a longer trip or just to store your stuff as well. So that is super cute. I don't have anything like that. This retails for $49.95. Okay, next I picked one makeup item. They actually were featuring a ton of Merit lip products, which you guys know I love Merit. Just did a video with them recently, and I picked out this beautiful lipstick color that I'm wearing right now, and it's perfect for fall. It is this gorgeous rosy tone. Now, this is their signature lipstick, which has a really nice finish. This one is more of like a cream finish. It's not super matte, but it doesn't have shine to it either. And I love how this feels on the lips. I feel like it's nice and lightweight. I just kind of blended it out with my fingers a little bit with a more brown lip liner. So if you're looking for that perfect fall lip, I think this is a really good option. I'm trying to channel fall today with the fun golden, almost greenish eyes and this lip. Here is a swatch of that, but yeah, these are such good lipsticks. They're very pigmented and very comfortable on the lips, and I love their packaging too. They had some different options between these lipsticks and also the tinted lip oils from Merit as well, which I think are also great, but I wanted to go with the lipstick for the fall season. This retails for $26, and also in that category, that's where that Rare Beauty fragrance mist is, if you guys are wondering about that. I'm actually so excited for the new Rare Beauty perfume to launch super soon. Last item I picked out, and there was some really good stuff in this category. It was so hard to pick because they were featuring the Rare Beauty Fine Comfort body lotion as well as Hourglass. They were featuring Hourglass eyeshadow sticks, which are very good, but I decided to get something for my hair, and I love the Amika brand. So I got the Amika. This is their very popular Soul Food Nourishing Mask. This is a really good hydrating mask. I have used it in the past, and I'm excited to have it again, especially because it smells so good, and your hair absolutely will smell like this too. I love the smell of the Amika products. They all kind of have the same signature scent. So beautiful. But yeah, this is pricey. I was excited to get it as an option for the Fabfitfun, and my hair could use a little TLC, so I am very excited to have this one. So this retails for $34. Now that is what I picked out for my Fabfitfun box. You guys also can pick out the same items as me or mix it up and get a few different things. I love that with Fabfitfun you get to pick out what you want out of a variety, because I mean, surprises are fun and all, but at the end of the day I want to make sure I'm getting stuff I really like. And like I said, in the summer box I used all my products all summer long. Everything came in handy for the different trips I had, for every day, so I was really pleased with it. So I cannot wait to get into my fall stuff and start using everything, but I loved the choices this season. I think you're going to love it as well. The grand total of my box was $339 for all that stuff, and like I said, you pay less than $100 for this box, so you definitely get your money's worth, and you can even add up more with that value if you are going for like all the most expensive things. But I just love picking out the things I truly have been wanting and want to wear, and I know I'll get a lot of use out of. If you enjoyed seeing what I got in my Fabfitfun box and you want to get one too, I do have some special offers for you. So for this season, if you guys want to sign up for Fabfitfun, you're going to get 20% off your first box if you sign up for a seasonal membership. You just use the code LEAH20. And also, if you guys would rather sign up for the full year, there is an annual subscription you can do as well, where you pay for the year up front and you are going to get the most savings that way. But they're also offering a free $200 surprise gift if you guys buy the annual subscription, and you can use the code LEAHGIFT to get that. But yes, I am very excited about my picks. I feel like I got some really good stuff. Fabfitfun just keeps like surprising me and blowing it out of the park. Definitely the best subscription box, and I'm excited that I have been giving them another try and they decided to work with me again, because like I mentioned in my last video, I used to do Fabfitfun unboxings all the time on my channel. I unboxed so many subscription boxes, and just seeing how far Fabfitfun has come over the years, and they've made so many good improvements, and just seeing like really popular brands and products being featured, this is a great way to save some money on some beauty stuff. But I'm gonna let you guys go. I'll have all the links in my codes down below so you don't forget. But thanks so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.